Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a local account when setting up Windows 11. So as you can see, there isn't any kind of local account option. So what we're going to need to do is click sign in, and then for the email, we're just going to put A, and then we're going to click next. And then for the password, we're just going to put A, and then we're going to click sign in. Now it's going to say something went wrong, and you've been locked out of your account, that's fine. Then we're just going to click next. And there we go, we're now just creating a local account. So if I just put PC in for example, and I leave the password blank, and then I just go through the setup process. So now if I come and sign out, as you can see, we now have a local account. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.